new Fast Cut herb tool from Xylus makes light work of chopping herbs. With 5 high-quality stainless steel cutting wheels, the Fast Cut herb tool is great for cutting rosemary, coriander, basil, parsley, tarragon, chives and more. Much quicker than chopping with a knife, this gadget glides through herbs with speed and ease. This compact handheld device features a blade rotation mechanism, allowing the blades to rotate 90 degrees to offer greater versatility when in use. You can either roll the herbs using your palm, or rotate the blades and use the grip function. The soft touch handle ensures comfortable and easy use. Ideal for using herbs as a garnish, or for adding herbs to sauces, or roasted vegetables. A blade cover allows the Fast Cut herb tool to be safely stored. And for cleaning, simply remove the top and put in the dishwasher. For effortless herb chopping, use the Fast Cut herb tool, another great innovation from Xylus.
Introducing the Bella 2.2-pound air fryer. This game-changing appliance allows you to fry your favorite fried foods in minutes with little to no oil. Powered by a leading 1500 watts, the circular heat technology distributes super hot air around your food for fast, crispy, and even cooking every time. Set your desired temperature and time and you're off. What's more, it features an easy check function to peek in on your food without interrupting the cooking process. Once the dinger rings, your food is done. The best part? There is no unpleasant oil odor. What's the second best part? No wasted time filtering oil. Cleaning is a breeze with the removable dishwasher-safe basket. The 2.2-pound air fryer from Bella.